Every day we'll find ourselves in situations, having to deal with situations, having to deal with people that we need to then understand, so in order to make good, sound decisions. But the thing that we need to remember as Christians is that we're on a path. We're on God's path. And this path is going to bring Him glory and is going to bring us ultimate good. And so we have to make decisions that ensure that we stay on that path. But sometimes, if we're honest with ourselves, we make decisions that cause us to jump ship, to jump to another path. Maybe we face a situation at work that leads to a potential conflict with someone in higher authority, or just someone who's just so intimidating. And out of fear, we respond in a way that's just not going to stir the pot. Even if it means it's detrimental for us, it's detrimental for even the way we work. Or we go, no, we go in guns blazing, we just say whatever we want to say, and then next minute the situation is so much worse than it was. And so if we continue to do things like that, we're never going to feel satisfied in and of ourselves.